Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Couponing with Melissa Love. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some amazing CVS deals that I did in store. I do have an updated printable breakdown in my description box down below. Let's get started with these amazing deals. Alright everyone, happy Easter and happy couponing. Let's begin with our first deal. We are going to start with the Axe body wash deal. They are on promotion. Buy one, get the other one 50% off, and when you buy two, you're going to earn a $5 extra buck. As you can see, nothing again is tagged on my store, so I'm going to go ahead and use this $4 off to manufacturer coupon. For this deal, you're going to pick up one price at $7.79, and the other one's going to be half off for $3.89. Your total is going to be $11.68. You're going to use that $4 paper coupon, pay $7.68, get back a $5 extra buck, making and submitting your receipt to Fetch Rewards up for $4 back, making your final cost free and a $1.32 moneymaker. Alright guys, another great deal is on the soft soap hand soap. They are on promotion. Buy two, earn a $2 extra buck. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up two for $2.99, bringing my total up to $5.98. I'm going to use that $1 paper coupon, pay $4.98, get back a $2 extra buck, making my final cost $2.98 for these two items. Alright guys, let's grab some free toothpaste this week. They're on promotion for $3.99. Buy three, earn a $5 extra bucks. So this is going to bring your total up to $11.97. You're going to go ahead and use that $5 digital coupon and this $2 digital coupon, paying $4.97, but then you're going to get back that $5 extra buck, making your final cost free. Another great deal is on the spend $25, earn an $8 extra buck. I'm going to go ahead and do it with the Tide detergents, priced at $12.99. I'm going to use this digital coupon, and I'm also going to go ahead and pick up some Downy because I need it on my household. They're priced at $12.99. You're going to go ahead and use this digital coupon. You would pay $19.98 at the register, earn back an $8 extra buck, making your final cost $11.98 for both, or $5.99 each one. Alright guys, these are all the items I'm going to grab. I do have an 8 off of 40 purchase CRT that I'm going to throw into the scenario. Alright guys, our first transaction was on the Crest toothpaste. They were priced at $3.99. It brought my total up to $11.97. Those two digital coupons did glitch and came off. I did roll over a $5 extra buck and paid nothing out of pocket, but I also got back a $5 extra buck that I could roll into my next transaction. Alright guys, the next transaction was using the 8 off of 30 CRT. So I went ahead and picked up the Tide, the Downy, the Axe, and the soft soap hand soaps. For this deal, I used a $4 paper coupon for the Axe. I used that $3 digital for the Tide, that $2 digital for the Downy, that 8 off of 40, and I rolled over some extra bucks that I had on my CVS account, and I paid $8.22, and I got back an $8 extra buck for spending $25, a $5 extra buck for the Axe, and a $2 extra buck for the soft soap products. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any of my deals and extra savings. As always, I left a printable breakdown in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy Easter. Enjoy the rest of the week. Bye bye guys.